to my channel Turkey Series Land. Here you get all the latest Turkey series and their trailers with English subtitles. Subscribe my channel so you can get all the latest Turkey series and their trailers. Review of episode 2 of Marashli with English subtitles. Father called Marashli at his house. Mahur was angry to see Marashli at her house. She asked her father, "Why did you call this man?" She said to her father that I don't want this man at my house. Her father said to her that you need Marashli. Your life is in danger. This is my final decision. You have to accept Marashli as your bodyguard. Mahur understood her father and accepted his decision. He said to Marashli to don't interfere in my life. Just do your duty. I don't want you around me, but my father wants this. We have to accept each other. They know that there is something wrong in this house. Not everyone is the same as they show themselves. There is something wrong with them. Go to restaurants to meet with some her friends. He said to Marashli to behave well because they all are very famous people. She said to her, "Okay, I will not interfere in your work." Ashley saw a man at a restaurant. He knows that he is here to hurt Mahur. He hit that man and called his boss that your man is not well and don't try to hurt Mahur. He said to Marashli that I know every detail of Mahur. You can't protect her from me. She said to him, "Time will decide this." Go for a walk without telling Marashli. He got very tense because the men are still after Mahur. Ashley scolded Mahur to go like this because she is in danger and she can't go like this. They both go to Mahur's studio and everyone see Marashli with the gun. He was very angry with Marashli because he constantly stopping her to go out. Always said to her, "Your life is in danger. You have to protect yourself and behave well." In the studio, everyone asked Mahur, "What's wrong with you? Why you need a bodyguard?" He said to everyone that my life is in danger and this man will protect me. This will be enough information for you. I'm fed up with all these drama. You see a blood spot at Marashi's shirt and ask him what happened with you. He said to her, "Nothing happened with me. This is just a scar. You don't need to worry. I will handle this." You said to him that you need a first aid. Your wound is bleeding. Let me help you. Help Marashli and she get very upset to see Marashli body with full of scars. She asked him, "Why you have so many scars on your body?" He said, "I am a commander and this is common for men like me. You don't need to worry. I used to these scars and wounds." The next scene, Mahu's stepmother destroyed the guest house. It is made by her late mother. Her brother tried to stop his stepmother, but she did not listen to him. Mahu got very angry after she heard this news and immediately attacked her stepmother. He said to her, "Who are you and who gave you this authority to demolish the guest house? This is the memory of my mother and you can't touch everything like this." She got very angry with her father because he gave the permission to her second wife to demolish the guest house. To her father, "I will not live with you if you do such things. Better teach your wife her limits." She left her father's house in a very angry mood. Ashley go after Mahur because he needs to be with him. She is not safe outside. Mahur said to Marashli, "Stop chasing me. I need to be alone. I don't need you. Leave me alone for some time. Better you go home. Your daughter is waiting for you. Stop chasing me. I am not in a good mood right now." She said to her, "My duty comes first. I can't leave you alone like this. I have to protect you. Come to me and come with me. You can't go like this. I will drop you wherever you want. You can't go alone like this. Go with Marashli." He said to him, "Are you happy now? I am with you." He said to Marashli that you are a very good man. It's hard to find such people nowadays. You are different from others. Always know your limits. Ashley said to her, "I am not a good man. I am just a human in all these people. People forget how to behave like a human. This is not a right way, Mahur, to cope with your problems. You have to be strong." She said to him, "Sometimes I can't control myself. I did such things which I should not do." Ashley left Mahur at her friend's party and waited for her outside. She was very upset because of the incident happened at the house. Mahur drank a lot in the party and she got fainted. Rashli took Mahur at his house because she did not want to go at her house. He said to Marashli that I don't want them to see me like this. My father is very worried about her because she left the house in a very angry mood. He was the reason. And who is after Mahur? Call her father and ask him about the pictures. Father said to him that my daughter don't have the pictures. Stop chasing her, otherwise this will not be good for you. I will destroy you. Then said to him that police don't have the pictures. Your daughter's bodyguard Marashli has the pictures. I was also there with your daughter at the factory. In the pictures, your daughter will be free. Otherwise, you can't protect your daughter from me. You know how dangerous I am. Fathers go to Marashli and ask him about the pictures. She said to him, yes, I have the pictures. She gave him the pictures, but Mahur heard all their conversation. She said to Mahur's father that you have to be careful, because these men will not leave you alone after having these pictures. Father said to him that you don't need to worry, I will handle this situation and protect my daughter from these. Morning, Marashi got panicked after not seeing his daughter on the bed. He went to the lawn and saw Mahur and Zilish playing together. He was very happy because her daughter is smiling after so many years. Do anything for his daughter. Ashley and Mahur's father gave the pictures to the mafia, but when they opened it, there was a video of Mahur. Who said to him, when you get that card, I will give my statement to prosecutor and you will be in a jail. Who thought after giving their statement to prosecutor, the mafia will not harm her. She will be free again. Marashi was not happy with this. To thank Marashi what he did for her, Ashley said to Mahur that there is someone in your family who wants to kill you. Mahur got shocked after hearing such things from Marashli. End of episode 2.